Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to assign contractor priorities for a specific location and trade in the updated FM dashboard. To get started, navigate to the location where you'd like to manage contractor assignments. Next, open the Rate Assignment tab and select the trade you want to configure. Once selected, load the list of available contractors. From there, you can assign contractors in priority order. Primary, the first contractor the system will use. Secondary, the backup contractor if the primary is unavailable. Tertiary, an additional backup option. If your organization uses internal technicians, you can also assign an internal technician for the trade. These assignments determine the priority in which contractors are selected and dispatched for work orders at that locations. Once you've made your selection, simply click Save. This will update the assignments. This feature helps ensure work orders are routed to the right contractor in the correct order, creating more efficient and consistent dispatch process.